with another video, and today I am talking all about Bounce Curl. These products are so interesting, and they come highly recommended by many people in the curly girl community. They are particularly interesting to me because my hair tends to love protein, like all the protein. So protein heavy products and me get along really well. Another thing about this brand that's really interesting is that it is a small women-owned business. The CEO, founder of Bounce Curl is actually kind of a chemist herself, and so she is heavily involved in all the formulas, and she has had curly hair, well, her whole life, but she's embraced her curly hair her whole life, and she has specifically created these products to enhance your natural hair texture and make it healthy and help you embrace your curls. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be able to hang out with me for future videos. I really love talking to you guys and hanging out with y'all, so I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And if this video was helpful to you, please hit the thumbs up button. That is my goal with this channel, is to just be helpful, because the curly girl method can be kind of overwhelming and confusing and intense. So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to be helpful. Let me know if this was helpful or not. So I would really appreciate that. Okay, so here we are over my bathtub, and I am just going to be taking my hair out of its very greasy day 4 pineapple, and I'm just getting it nice and wet, grabbing the Bounce Curl clarifying shampoo, and as you can see, this stuff foams up beautifully. I'm going to give it a quick scrub with my scalp brush and rinse everything out. Once I've got that all rinsed out of my hair, I grab the cream conditioner, and I only use a little bit of this stuff. And I am just finger combing it into my hair, and then I'm going to finish working it through my hair with my wet brush. Now that it's all worked through, I'm going to do a really good squish to condish. As you can see, I grabbed one more little palmful of water. These are the kind of clumps I'm looking for, like seaweed hair, good stuff. Now I'm just going to rinse that out of my hair. When I can see my hair looks like seaweed, I know that my hair has fully absorbed all that conditioner. Now I'm just grabbing a pea-sized amount more of conditioner and working that in as my leave-in. Combing the front clumps and smoothing them down with the wet brush. Now I'm ready to apply my stylers, and I'm grabbing my Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. I grabbed about 2 quarter-sized amounts, and I'm just doing a really good squish and slightly shaking the hair off the back of my head to make sure that nothing is stuck. Now I'm going to grab 1 quarter-sized amount of gel and smooth that into the right side of the back of my head, and that will make sure that I get product applied to the back of my hair and help me have definition and all the things I want. Now I'm adding another quarter-sized amount of gel to the left side of my head and really squishing that in thoroughly to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Now that that product's squished in really well, I am just going to let my hair sit in a plop for about 20 minutes. And now I'm ready to diffuse. I like diffusing upside down, and I thought today I'd go ahead and show you that angle. Look, I'm flexible. Oh, I diffused for about 30 minutes, and my hair was 90% dry at the time that I stopped diffusing. I have wandered around my house, and my hair, I'm gonna get this out of the background, some little AirPods. If you get bored while you're diffusing, I listen to audiobooks. That is my jam, because watching videos while you're diffusing is hard for me. I can't multitask that well. Like, I'm trying to focus on diffusing while also watching a video, and I have to like turn upside down, as you saw, and like hold my phone upside down, like down, upside down while I'm diffusing, and then move it when I stand up. So I just listen to an audiobook because I don't have to watch. Some people listen to music. That's really cool too. Anyway, that's what the AirPods were doing there. And AirPods are nice because there's no cord that you get tangled up in while you're diffusing. I used to get tangled up in my old headphones, and then my darling husband got these for me. Okay, are y'all bored yet? So, my hair is 100% dry, and I'm ready to scrunch out the crunch. There is no cast. Like, there is a cast, but it's not crunchy. Like, you can see that my hair is like really nice and stuck together, but there's no crunch. And that's something I really appreciate about these products. They don't make my hair, it's not hard to break the cast. And now you can see everything looks a little bit softer. Removing the ring. I'm gonna scrunch out the underneath. Get everything properly fluffed. And I do like move my head side to side a lot. I don't know why, I just do. Okay, then I have this great middle part happening, and I think I'm gonna part over here. Yep, free root volume, because I laid my hair this way while it was finishing air drying, and now I've moved it over, and now it's all big. All right, and the very last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Bounce Curl hairspray. This product is insanely concentrated. They tell you to use 3 spritzes. It's hard for me to only use 3 spritzes because I am very heavy-handed, but you really don't need much. If you overuse this, your hair will be glued, like glued in the position that it was in. So I like to use this right after I scrunch out the crunch. There are people who enjoy applying this on soaking wet hair, like right before they would plop. There are people who like applying this right after they've plopped and removed some water from their hair, right after diffusing. But you could use this all throughout the routine. I personally enjoy using it right after I scrunch out the crunch. So I'm going to kind of shake my hair away from my face because I hate my hair like falling in my face. So if I can shake it back and do 1 spritz that way, and then I kind of barely touch my hair to make sure I hit it in the right spot. Then I'm gonna do this side. There. And now I kind of missed the very back, so I'm gonna do what I can to hit just the very back. And hopefully I didn't spray you guys. All right, so that is my hair. Just freshly scrunched out. I will be back this evening to show you how it's worn so far, and then I'll be back tomorrow morning to show you it straight out of the pineapple. All right, here I am at the end of the night, about to put my hair up for the evening. I have been flipping my part and having all kinds of fun just messing with my hair. So far, so good. Everything is holding up beautifully, and it's been threatening to rain, which means we're talking muggy and high dew points and humid. So as you can see, the frizz is still behaving pretty dadgum well. Let me show you the back. Good morning. Just about to take this out of its evening, nighttime pineapple, and we'll take a look and see how it held up. Okay, gently trying to figure out where it's gonna part, and then I'll let it settle. There we go, that's good enough. Okay, all right. You know the rule, no touching, no fluffing. We're gonna just leave it alone for a few minutes and let it kind of rest into wherever it wants to sit for the day. And I'm back. So my hair has had about 15 minutes to just kind of settle, and so now I'm ready to kind of arrange everything for the day. I personally love to do a good root fluff. Heck, I root fluff all the time, so that's something that really helps my hair. It's like brushing your hair for the curly girl method. Because like when we had frizzy hair before doing the curly girl method, we would just kind of like run a brush through it and that would smooth the frizz down, or at least that's what I used to do. And now in order to smooth the frizz down, I do a really good root fluff. So, all right, let's see. All right, there we go. And that is my day 2 bounce curl hair. All right, so these are my day 2 results. Fully fluffed, fully settled, and I really love bounce curl. I've had this line for a very long time. I have always been super interested in buying an entire wash day lineup from one brand and using all their products at once to see how it plays in my hair. And this brand never disappoints. It gives me volume, it gives me shine, it gives me bounce. My hair, if I had to knock it in any way, it may not be the most amazingly curl enhancing, but my hair always feels so balanced. It never feels mushy or overhydrated. The shampoo is very cleansing for my greasy, oily scalp without being overstripping. I rarely get frizz with these products, and this is day 2 after a very vigorous fluffing. Like, things are looking good. Another thing about this line that I'm obsessed with is the smell. You wash your hair with it and it blends with your hair, and the smell in your hair is just clean and sweet and heavenly. Love, love, love these products. Keep in mind that these are formulated to be very concentrated. I'm beginning to sound like a broken record because apparently I like to reach for products that are concentrated. So less is more. That goes for this conditioner. I used to think that I had to use so much of this conditioner to get good slip, and you don't. You really need to use more water. So if you are putting this in your hair and you're noticing that you're not having the kind of slip that you would with your other conditioners, instead of grabbing more globs of conditioner, grab more water and smooth that into your hair, and the slip just like explodes. So less is more with the conditioner, and less is more with the light cream gel. Heck, I'm gonna say this about every product, but I like a lot of gel. I like a lot of hold. So I, in the beginning, would add so much of this to my hair that it actually caused a little bit of flash drying, meaning that my hair started to unclump when it was wet and I was applying the product. There would be a lot of frizz, and my hair just kind of became weird and not cute. So oddly enough, holding myself back, having some self-restraint and using this product and using half the amount that I would of a regular gel gives me an absolutely amazing result, and I have no issue with the flash drying, and I still get the same, if not better, hold when I use less of this product. Again, same thing goes for the hairspray. This stuff is powerful. I mean powerful. I recommend this to anyone, whether you're doing the curly girl method or not. It is so nice to have a hairspray that locks things in 4 days. So yeah, if you're just stumbling across this video and you don't give a lick about the curly girl method, at least take a look at this hairspray. I know it's a little pricey, but you seriously only need 3 sprays. If you use more than that, it's gonna be too much. And I really appreciate that you are getting a lot of bang for your buck out of this product, even though it's not drugstore prices, it's not drugstore quality. You are getting very, very high quality products with this. I don't think I talked enough about the shampoo. This is creamy when you squeeze it out, and that always makes me nervous because I think creamy shampoos will make my hair greasy, and that is absolutely not the case with this. My hair is soft and I don't get that really satisfying squeak when I get all the suds, but it does suds up, which I like bubbles. I am working on trying to learn to co-wash more, but I love my bubbles, and this gives me bubbles without overstripping my hair. My hair always feels clean and balanced when I use this, and I can actually detangle my hair when I'm washing it with this shampoo. I've only ever used one other shampoo that does that for me. It was the Trey Luxe shampoo, but seriously, so hydrating, and there's a lot of absolutely fantastic ingredients in here. There's lactic acid, which I know is very helpful for people who have flaky scalp. Yes, just yes. This whole Bounce Curl line is just absolutely spot on, amazing, and definitely worth checking out. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Oh, I forgot to show you the back after it's settled. All right, thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.